Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have a quick chicken stir fry today. Get about a pound of meat and then cut up about a pound of veggies in any combination that you want. Here I've got cabbage, zucchini, sugar snap peas, and carrots. We're going to make a quick sauce. This is the flavoring sauce: a quarter cup of chicken broth, quarter cup of soy, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, and a teaspoon of sugar. That recipe will be on the blog. Saute that chicken up. It's best with a stir fry to have everything ready to go. So mix that sauce up, mix that cornstarch slurry before you start cooking. Get that pan super hot. Get your aromatics in there, get your chicken, pull the chicken out, put the veggies in, and don't overcook those veggies. They want to be crisp and happy, not soggy. So just cook them enough till they start to sort of draw out their liquid, and then put that chicken right back in and stir that all up so that it's all ready to receive that flavoring sauce. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out the links below for my blog, Etsy, books, all the good stuff. And there we go. We're dumping that flavoring sauce in that we made up ahead of time. And then we're just going to thicken it with the cornstarch there once we get it all the veggies and chicken coated. Such an easy weeknight meal. Such health. Look at that color, variety, crunch, so tasty. Anyway, I made some Instant Pot rice, which I think I've got that on my channel, so you can check that out. Super easy to make fluffy rice in the Instant Pot. Putting in my cornstarch slurry there. If your skillet's hot, it'll just thicken up pretty quickly, and it'll be ready to serve. You could sprinkle this with some green onions or some peanuts or both. And thank you so much for joining me, guys, for another great recipe. Check out those links, please. I'd much appreciate that. And happy eating. Come back to this channel for art and cooking recipes and all sorts of fun stuff, journals, mixed media art, etc., etc. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a blessed day.